So this is day one of CES for me, and it's impressive. This place is huge. We're at the Las Vegas Convention Center. There are a lot of things going on here, and right when you walk through the door, first there's food, and then there's Razer right here, just showing off stuff that they got going on. And I'm liking what I'm seeing. Holograms, lots of them, everywhere. Diamonds, casino ones over there. And I don't know how well they're showing up on a 4K camera, but it's impressive. They're actually coming off the walls. It's nice. No 3D glasses needed. So I'm gonna be here for a few days at CES to really just see what's going on. What's the new tech? What's the new stuff out there that can enhance your life and not just drain your wallet, or maybe a little bit of both. So we'll see. CES 2020 here in Las Vegas. One fun trend is definitely drones. There's tons and tons of drones here. Some really, really tiny ones. And then there's this thing. I have no idea how large it is. I have no idea what you'd use it for, but it's large. Alright, so I found something that's kind of unique and trippy. This is a 3D television that doesn't need glasses, and it really is three-dimensional. It's coming out of the whole screen, and you can actually see it at different angles. I know you're not going to be able to see it on YouTube here, but it is pretty trippy. And it comes out maybe like a full foot or so, and kind of mesmerizing. Some parts are blurry, some parts are crisp. You can see some of the dots in there, but it is kind of interesting. I'm not sure exactly how I would use it or what movies would really benefit from this, but it's interesting, to say the least. One thing they should do is definitely call this consumer television show, because there's tons of TVs here. This one, 120-inch, 8K. I mean, the detail is like ridiculous. But yeah, 8K TVs are going to be a thing eventually. I mean, the Olympics are going to be, aired in 8K. Obviously, everybody's going to have an 8K TV by then, really. But it's crisp picture quality. I definitely like it. I just got a 4K TV, Samsung QLED. I love it. Don't really see a reason to go to 8K until it's vastly available. But yeah, TVs everywhere. 8K everywhere. CES 8K.
This is for kitchen here.
Oh, kitchen? Okay.
Yeah, we are like, this is the recipe video, but most important what we do is recognize your ingredients too.
Ah.
Big ingredients.
Okay, that's kind of nice. Let me pick that up. So,
And pick another one.
and I'm a chef. Lemons and onions definitely go together.
It's not very...
Yep. Exactly. How about this? What is this? Steak. 3 combined.
Lemon is hard to combine.
Whoa, lemon is hard to combine. Okay.
How about tomato?
Steak and tomato. Yes. Oh.
You can put it that way.
Put it
too,
that way?
yeah.
Okay. Clearly, my ingredient selection is not the best. All right.
So first
Did you
of all,
remove the food ingredients?
Yeah, remove the food.
Okay.
And they give you all the recipe you can do with it.
Ah, this one looks good. Yes. All right, make me that. I am hungry.
Okay.
Very cool.
Yeah, they have to teach you step by step.
Yeah. And so if I spill on the counter,
Doesn't matter.
doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. That's very cool. What's the name of this?
Hachi. Infinity.
Infinity. Okay.
Yeah, this is our newest model. We're gonna launch this year at March.
Okay. Well, you saw it here first. I can't get ingredients together for nothing, but this thing will tell you when you're putting bad ingredients together and it's a no-no, or good ingredients together and you can actually make something tasty like that. So, way to go. All right, day 1 CES is in the books and we have a couple more to go. The drive from LA to here was beautiful. Mountains have snow peaks on them. It's just beautiful. CES is a madhouse. I thought it was large, but no. Unless you're here, you just can't get a sense of how big this thing is. So much to see. So I got here around 3 o'clock, had to get to the hotel, do all that stuff, shoot on over to CES. It shut down a couple hours after that, but I got to see a decent amount. But yeah, it's going to take a couple of days to get through all this stuff. It's no joke. So it's about 8:15 p.m. right now, and that means it's cigar time. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I will show you guys more tomorrow and the next day for what's going on in CES. And so I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.